Hey there, fellow cat lovers! Let me tell you about this amazing toy that's driving cats absolutely wild. You know how our feline friends are natural-born hunters, always watching birds through the window with those intense, focused eyes? Well, imagine bringing that outdoor excitement right into your living room. This little birdie toy is like a magician that transforms your lazy couch potato into a mighty jungle hunter. It perfectly mimics a sparrow, with realistic wing movements and those irresistible chirping sounds that make your cat's ears perk up instantly. It's like watching National Geographic, but your cat gets to be the star of the show. The best part? It's completely safe and satisfies your cat's hunting instincts without any real birds getting hurt. Just watch as your kitty stalks, pounces, and shows off those amazing athletic moves you didn't even know they had.